Hi everyone, we have received this Altis for exterior paint job plus headlight modification. Apart from that, we'll be working on the interior. So this is the stock interior of the car, how it has come originally. So you can see it's a standard Altis interior. Now we will be customizing this in a new theme. So stay tuned to Autorounders. We are from Mumbai. You can call us on 7666 830 830 for more details. Hi everyone. This is an Altis for which the exterior paint job has been done. Apart from that, we have installed the projector lights also. Full car has been painted from outside in a paint booth. Along with this, the entire interior has been customized. The steering is in genuine leather with wooden finish. You can call Autorounders on 7666 930 930 for any modification, customization related jobs. We are based out of Mumbai. In this car we also had the roof in black. That's a premium interior job done on this car. Thank you for watching this video, guys. That's our workshop where the job was done. We have a paint booth. Thank you, guys. It's our customer Mr. Kapil and Manisha. We have worked on their Altis for exterior and interior customization. So I'll just ask you about your experience with Autorounders.
Yeah. So this is our second renovation experience. We bought two Corolla cars about 8 years back, and we didn't know what to do with them. They just kept going with us, but the interiors had become bad. And then we googled it up, and it so happened that Autorounders came up as one of the best reviewed garage. And we were a little diffident initially to see whether how much to spend on these cars. We spoke to Satish at length. He showed us the photographs. He was very patient, and very meticulous. They have a team. Dhaval is the floor manager kind. Satish owns the firm. And you got, there's another gentleman, I forget the name, the technical guy.
Yeah, Siddesh and Nilanjan.
Nilanjan. And I think the team is, absolutely amazing. And we've had a great experience. We've been away for 3 weeks, so we've suffered the fact that we didn't have a car, but...
But how is the job done now?
The job is excellent.
Thank you.
So I would like to just add something to Kapil, because once you get these kind of things, you're really looking at whether we'll get the quality that we want.
Okay.
And that was the main concern in the first car. And when the first job was done, then we didn't have any itch to get the second one back as well.
Thank
so
you.
I think we are really happy customers.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Build a great business.
Thank you so much.
Passion.
Thank you so much.